you think women are more emotionally intelligent than men? Let's see a show of hands. Okay, 100% of the room. You're all wrong. Is trying to reach gender parity in leadership futile? Can we make a change that impacts industry? Can we change the leadership ratios? Can we change how we envision a leader? The answer is yes. Your skills, your knowledge can be outsourced. Someone in another country could do your skills faster, better, or cheaper. So in order to compete and succeed in this fast-paced global economy that we live in, it's about relationships. And so we need to challenge our thinking around what a leader is, especially today, given the diversity and inclusion. We're becoming more diverse every day as a global society. Our image and vision of what a leader is has changed. Networking is different. Men tend to go around and network with their bosses on a continual basis about what they're doing. In sharp contrast, a woman tends to stay in her office, working away at her computer, hoping to be noticed. 3 months down the line, when a hiring manager has a position on his or her team, who do they think of? The person's been in their office 6 times in the last 3 months, and that's generally the male.